Good afternoon, everyone. The essay paper for 2026 CSE is now out, and like every year, there are two different groups having different opinions. Some people are saying that it is difficult paper, and some are saying that it is easier paper. So let us try to analyze this. So if we look into the question paper of this year, it is somewhat similar to what was there last year also. There is not much drastic change, major drastic change in the question paper. And if you see the questions, these are the questions which are easily doable. And if you look at the themes of the questions also, these are the themes which are very much around us. Some of the things that we are observing, some of the issues that we ourselves face in life. So everything is whatever is being asked. It is something which is where we can easily relate to. And if you look at the questions also, if you see section A, again section A is philosophical, section B is also philosophical. So when you look at the philosophies also, these are the philosophies which are around us. Like it is oxymorons reflect the ironies of life. It is about virodhabhas जीवन की विडंबनाओं को दर्शाते हैं. So see what is there is like oxymorons or different perspectives is what we observe in life. Whatever you say as a person, whatever you decide as a family, whatever you decide as an institution, whatever is your decision as a country, there would always be two perspectives. There cannot be just only one perspective. So that is what we have been brought up with, that different opinions are there, different perspectives are there, हमेशा विरोधाभास होता है और उसी के around this topic is there. Then a grateful mind is very beautiful. It is the virtue which every human should have. This is what has been our religious teachings, this is what is our moral teaching. तो ये कुछ अलग सा topic नहीं है. अगर आप इसको deeply देखो तो gratefulness is something which we are being taught from the very beginning, which we see also that one should be grateful. We should be grateful to the nature, we should be grateful to our country, we should be grateful to whosoever has helped us in life, है ना. तो gratefulness जो है, ये virtue जो है, ये हम सब में होनी चाहिए. ये कुछ अलग सा topic नहीं है, उसी के around the question has been asked. Then a thorn is a changed bud. A thorn is a changed bud. Some like most of the people have found it very difficult also, because I was talking to many of the students and most of them have said that section A में जो the most preferred one has been the fourth one. We'll come to the fourth one later on, and the least preferred has been number 3. A thorn is a changed bud. कांटा कली का बदला हुआ रूप है ना. So this is also something that we see around us, है ना. See, same person, same thing, है ना. It behaves differently under different situation. It is about the two sides of a coin, and sometimes the things which is giving you pleasure, which is giving you happiness, might suddenly change into a challenge, might suddenly change into a pain. Like say for example, every criminal was once an innocent child. So this is what it is about, how circumstances change us, how circumstances make us different. Though we are a different person, but circumstances के चलते हम कैसे बदल जाते हैं. And this is what is like we always observe in our lives. So उसके around ये ऐसे है. When two elephants fight, it is the grass that gets trampled. जब दो हाथी लड़ते हैं तब घास ही रौंदी जाती है. So this is something is what we are witnessing in the world today, है ना. जो mighty countries हैं या जो आपकी बड़ी organizations हैं या आपके बड़े corporates हैं, है ना, they are amongst their competition what we see, है ना. Even in society, the big people, the powerful people, the resourceful people, they fight against each other. But who is the ultimate victim of that? The common man. Similarly, when we see in geopolitics also, major countries are fighting. Who is getting like trampled here? It is your global south which is getting trampled here. तो ये जो है, this is also that we are witnessing right now. तो ये जो हमारे चारों तरफ चल रहा है, उसके अराउंड ही ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है. जब दो हाथी लड़ते हैं तब घास ही रौंदी जाती है. सो द पीपल हु आर सेइंग दैट इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, है ना, समटाइम्स अंडर एग्जामिनेशन कंडीशंस वी माइट फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट, बट व्हेन यू सी इट with a calm mind. These are the questions which are very very doable questions. These are the questions which somebody who has prepared, who has central thinking ability can easily do these questions. And out of these 4 questions, I think the most preferred one has been two elephants fight. It is the grass that gets trampled, and the least one is a thorn is a changed bird. एंड अगर आपने, जैसे हमने भी अपने ऐसे की टेस्ट सीरीज में मिलते जुलते क्वेश्चंस दिए हैं, जैसे ऑक्सीमोरॉन्स रिफ्लेक्ट द आयरनीज ऑफ लाइफ, मतलब इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द डिफरेंट परसेप्शंस. सो वी हैड अ सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ अ क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो, लाइक नो मैटर हाउ थिन यू स्लाइस इट देयर विल ऑलवेज बी 2 साइड्स, है ना, डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव्स के ऊपर है. तो अगर आपने प्रैक्टिस की है तो इट इज नॉट एट ऑल डिफिकल्ट. सिमिलरली व्हेन टू एलिफेंट्स fight, so we also had a similar kind of a theme. Strong do what they can and the weak suffer what they must. ठीक है, तो प्रैक्टिस जिसने किया है, जिसने थोड़ा सोचने की एबिलिटी रखी है, ये बिल्कुल भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. देन व्हेन यू कम टू सेक्शन बी, nature is the symbol of the spirit. Now again, if you see, every year UPSC is giving some of the questions which is based on observation, है ना. Now this is about oneness between human nature and human and nature, the spirit of growth, the spirit of blossom, है ना. How, what is common between us and nature? Nature is the symbol of the spirit. How nature is showcasing the spirit, the human spirit and nature के बीच में क्या resemblance है. So this is purely based on your observation skills, है ना. तो इसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन आया है. Then like most of the years they are asking you questions on education also. A well educated mind will always have more questions than answers. ठीक है, तो ये this is about the relevance of education. Education should open new opportunities, it should open new windows rather than just complying with the existing norms or existing things. Educated mind is something which is opening new windows and new opportunities. And how do you see the new opportunities? When you question the new things, and that is what the essay is. Then shelving hard decisions is the least ethical course, and this is what generally the human nature is, to avoid hardships, to avoid difficult situation, because we love the comfort zones, है ना. तो ये उसी के अराउंड है कि ये जो हम hard decisions होते हैं, shelving hard decisions is not ethical, because hard decisions sometimes are some of the very important decisions. So this is around decision making. And then a good leader is one who follows the followers. A good leader is not the one who dictates but one who follows, है ना. So if you look at these questions, like good leader, it is about leadership. Shelving hard decisions, it is about decision making. A well educated mind, it is about questioning, है ना. These are the qualities. And then if you look at the topic which is a grateful mind is very beautiful. These are the topics which are very much like linked to the characters, the virtues which are required in a civil servant, है. तो ये कुछ भी नया नहीं है, जो क्वालिटी सिविल सर्वेंट के अराउंड है ना, दैट यूपीएससी इज लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दोज क्वालिटीज, उनके अराउंड क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं, चाहे वो ग्रेटफुलनेस के हों, चाहे लीडरशिप के हों, चाहे डिसीजन मेकिंग के हों. देन देर आर क्वेश्चंस अबाउट ऑब्जर्वेशंस, हाउ यू आर ऑब्जर्विंग व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, हाउ नेचर एंड ह्यूमन, व्हाट स्पिरिट इज कॉमन बिटवीन द टू, व्हाट वी कैन लर्न फ्रॉम नेचर. ठीक है, वो सारी चीज़ों के अराउंड क्वेश्चंस हैं. देन योर ऑब्जर्वेशन की इफ टू एलिफेंट्स they are fighting, how the poor one or the weaker section or the weaker countries, they are getting trampled over. तो कुछ भी difficult नहीं है. So those who think that this is difficult, no, it is very doable. But yes, I would definitely say that it needs certain practice, it needs certain understanding. If you are not using your own mind, if you do not understand the topics, if you do not know how to understand the topic, if you are just into mugging up, going with certain templates for essay, then definitely it would be difficult. So for those who will be appearing for the civil service exam in the next few years, you see that the UPSC is changing, it is evolving. Now the essay questions that are coming are more they're very interesting topics which need lot of understanding, which needs lot of observation. So But at the end of the day, UPSC also knows that people from across the country are appearing for these papers, so they do not make it so difficult. So forget it, that it is not difficult, it is doable, but it needs your understanding, it needs your homework, it needs your smart work, it needs your hard work. So rest, we will discuss each and every topic in detail, and we will come up with the detailed discussions in the next few days. Thank you everyone.